So, good afternoon, everyone. I think we could start. If any other users would like to join us, so they could simply enter the room. So, not a big deal. My name is Yaroslav. I'm the head of a Britecheck inventory platform support team. And today we're gonna talk about how barcode labels streamline the inventory management process, or could streamline the inventory management process. This is one of the most interesting topics we've covered so far because there is no such a good tool that you can implement to your inventory rather than using a barcode labeling system. This is very crucial. This is very important, especially for your inventory, especially for those businesses who will already use who are already using the inventory. Maybe not Britecheck, maybe other platforms, but today I'll show you how your business could benefit from implementing barcode labeling system, and especially how Britecheck platform could actually help you to gain more profit from using this utility. So to begin with, let's say a few words about barcode labels. As I already mentioned, it is a fundamental tool in a business world, especially when it comes to streamline the inventory management process. For instance, for businessmen, efficient inventory management is crucial for maintaining, how to say, a competitive edge and meeting customer demands. This is very important. This is all about customers and about their demand. The most thing is how your business satisfy the customer demands. And what we're using Britecheck platform and barcoding and labeling system is yeah, they aim to achieve more satisfaction from user points of view, and this is or from customer point of view. Then this is very important, and we'll stop by this point a bit later. So in this one more time in this webinar, we'll explore the various ways in which barcode labels streamline the inventory management process and how they can benefit all businesses. Yeah, especially we cover how Britecheck inventory could actually help you with this one. So as I said here with Britecheck, you can easily implement barcode labels to streamline your inventory management process. Say goodbye to manual data entry and human errors. With barcode labels, you can quickly scan items, update inventory levels, and track stock movements with ease. And this is true. Later, we'll cover um, more benefits, such as listed here, for example, human errors, manual data entry, keep inventory levels in stock, and etc. and so on and so forth. This is a very useful thing. But first of all, um, let's see what the barcode actually is. Um, as you can see on a picture to the right, this is a pattern of dark bars and white spaces. And these dark bars and white spaces include coding system inside. So any figures or numbers are already coded in this format. Um, so this structure contains a specific piece of information. It allows real-time data to be collected accurately and rapidly. And combination of barcode technology with computer and application software improves performance, productivity, and profitability. And this is, one more time, this is true. All the supermarkets. If you take a look at a supermarket, all of them using barcode system, and all barcodes are already known by a computer because they are uploaded to a computer, so that computer could actually understand what you're scanning. And this does help to improve performance, productivity, and profitability. Evaluation of barcode. So there are a few evaluations. Actually, one of the and the most common tool you could actually see is a handheld barcode scanners. Most of the shops, most of the supermarkets have them, and you probably see people or employees of a certain place scanning a barcode, for instance, for your T-shirt or for a gallon of milk. They scan it, a can or a bottle, to actually see what it is. Um, so this is the most useful one. This is the most common thing you could actually see in nowadays world. But there are some many others. For instance, the others would be how to say correctly, the scanner sold by any automation received a power from PC keyboard. Yes, so the scanners, they are standard. This is a standard solution. If we take a look at the following picture, so this is, I'm talking about the second one. So it's fixed mount multi-line. Oh, a single line. It doesn't matter. So we're taking a look at a picture number 2 and picture number 3. So this is what we're talking about. So this is fixed mount scanners, and they are already linked to a computer via USB port. So actually, no external power supply is required. So all you have to do is just plug into a computer. And in this case, when a barcode is scanned, the data is automatically sent to your personal computer as if it was typed using a keyboard. So is it useful? Yes, of course it is. It is. But Britecheck came up with a brand new idea of using barcode scanners. So with Britecheck inventory, actually you don't have to have any of these scanners. All you have to download Britecheck inventory application to your mobile device, and your mobile device would become your personal scanner. So this is actually third option. And here, as we can see, the Britecheck inventory app, it's right over here. So you could see all the inventory is in one place, and you could actually scan using mobile phone camera, and you could use it to scan items using your mobile device. Which option is the best? Well, all of them good, but from my personal point of view, the third one, Britecheck Inventory, is the most powerful and the most user-friendly evaluation of a barcode scanner, and we'll see why actually just in the next slide. So, talking about benefits of implementing barcodes to inventory, first of all, we need to mention that your business would gain real-time inventory monitoring. And this is very important because barcode labels enable business to implement real-time tracking of the inventory. This means that for instance, as soon as an item is scanned, the data is instantly uploaded to the inventory management system. This real-time visibility into stock levels, movement, movement from one place to another place. This is what I mean. And locations, the same thing, helps businesses make informed decisions about restocking, order fulfillment, and or identifying potential discrepancies or issues within the supply chain. So this is very important, especially for business. If you're type of a business that make or need to make very fast decisions, so real-time inventory monitoring is very important for you, because at every moment you have to know yeah, stock balances to make certain decisions. And this is what barcodes actually could help you. So you scan a barcode label and you check how many things are, or items are left in stock, what is their total value, and what were recent transactions or recent movements of this item. So this is very cool, I think. So the second thing is loss and theft reduction. So regular inventory counts identify stock mismatches, minimizing losses due to the theft or spoilage. And yeah, this is true. So by counting, for instance, if 1,000 of bean cans um, were delivered actually to your I don't know you're holding your food or beverage store. You come to your store, so 1,000 bean cans were delivered to your food store. You scan all of them, and you have 1,000 of them in stock. And this, by using it, for instance, your employees wouldn't have a chance to steal or lose anything. Or even if they lose anything, you could tell them that if there's a certain amount in stock, so keep going and search. And in most cases, you'll find these items in desired values or numbers. So yeah, this also helps. Improved asset management. What it means. Asset management tracks product lifecycle costs and profits, supporting better forecasting and strategic decisions. This is again story about decision making. So as for the real-time inventory monitoring, in this thing, you can actually see how many items were sold within a certain period of time. For instance, within last month, last week, last year. And you could see the average price for this item, it costs for profits, or how much you gained. And this helps you to make better decisions in the future, which of course leads us to better decision making. So this is another thing, the third benefit of using, using not only the barcode labeling system, but also for the centralized inventory management system.